You want to fix your gaming system that doesn't start up? I'm going to tell you how to fix your gaming system if you have no power and it won't start. Let's begin. My name is Mike Locascio and I help people maintain their computer and repair their computer. And I'm going to tell you how to fix your gaming computer if it doesn't start up. And you might get some lights, but it just won't go on at all. This is a method that I've used to fix a lot of gaming systems that people bring to me. So here we go. What you do is you unplug the gaming computer, open up the side, and take the memory out one stick at a time. After you do that, make sure that the memory is clear of dust and the socket is clear of dust, and then put the memory back in one at a time and make sure it's getting a firm connection. Once you have the memory in, I would say plug back your computer and see if it powers on. And 8 out of 10 times it'll power on because you need it to reseat your memory. Well, let's say it doesn't turn on. Unplug it again and take out your graphics card and reseat that. Make sure the graphics card connection is clean. Put that back in, make sure it's firm. And then plug it back in and try it again. It's possible that the problem is going to be solved after that. Now, if that doesn't fix it, what I suggest you do is unplug it, and where your power supply connects to the motherboard, I find sometimes those connections aren't that good, or it may not be all the way in. So unplug the power cord from your motherboard. It's the big white 24 pin that plugs into your motherboard carefully. There's a little latch on it, so push in the latch, lift it up, and then plug it in firmly. Make sure it's in good. Don't give it too much pressure, but just make sure it's connected good into your motherboard. And then you can plug it back in and try it, and that might fix the problem. Now let's say that it does fix the problem, but on your screen you're not getting a good picture, or it's not right after you did that, but it is powering on. Go into the BIOS, into the setup, and what you do is it's either going to be escape, F1 or F2. If you're not sure how to get into the BIOS, restart your computer and look on the bottom left before the screen comes on, and it will tell you like F1 to get into setup, and all you got to do is shut it off again, turn it on, and before that screen comes on, start tapping the F1 key if that's what it is. Then after that, hit the F7, which means restore all defaults, and that will restore your defaults in your setup, in your BIOS. And then you hit F10 to save your changes, and then you hit enter and restart the computer, and that should totally fix it. So if you got any value from this video, I hope you share it, like it, and comment. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, this method has worked for me on a lot of gaming systems that I've repaired for customers over the years, and I hope it helps you. Remember, do these tips one step at a time and make sure you unplug it on every time you're doing the step. And good luck, and let me know if that worked for you. This is Mike Locascio. I help people maintain their computer and repair their computer. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.